Hey y'all, welcome back to Chelle's Kitchen. I'm back at y'all with another great video. It feels so good to be back. Y'all, today we're gonna make Philly cheesesteaks today, y'all. You heard it, Philly cheesesteaks. And this is everything you would need to make your Philly cheesesteaks. Quick, fast, easy, y'all. So first you're gonna need your steak. I just buy this frozen steak. It's normally like in your frozen now, like with the chicken strips, chicken nuggets, where the shrimp, the frozen shrimp. In my grocery store, this is where this is at. They're about $7 a pack. I got 2 of those. Then I got some Swiss cheese, because you need some cheese. You can use any cheese you want. I chose Swiss. I got some sourdough bread. This is what we're going to put it on. Some of the softest, bestest bread ever. Then I got a white onion. And I got a green pepper. And then I'm going to make some potato wedges with y'all. I'm going to make y'all some potato wedges. And the fish fry, this is my secret weapon to some of the world's greatest potato wedges. So stay tuned so I can show y'all this little secret. But y'all gotta be quiet because y'all can't tell a lot of people this secret. This is gonna be our secret, Chelle's kitchen secret. So yeah, y'all, this is everything you need. We're gonna go over to the stove, y'all. Let's get started. So first what we're gonna do is go ahead and cook our steak. In my skillet, I put just a little bit of vegetable oil at the bottom. And I already opened my steaks. So we're just gonna put it in there. Now these steaks do come with the seasoning pack, y'all. You just wanna put your steaks in there. Just like that, y'all. Philly cheesesteaks, quick, fast, and easy. Ain't nobody got time to be going to no butcher and having them chop up no Philly meat. We're gonna do this right here. All right, y'all, so I have that on a high. We're going to get that started. I also have my grease over here for my potato wedges. Got that on a medium high. That's getting hot. We're going to come back over here to the meat. And what you want to do is just let it cook. And once it starts cooking, you just start stabbing it. So, yeah, that's the steaks in there. I'm going to wait till it cook a little bit more to add our seasoning packs to it, y'all. So while that's doing its thing, we're going to go over here to these potato wedges. So y'all, all I did was got a bowl and fish fry. You put the fish fry in the bowl. Then you get your potato wedges that y'all see me cut up and you just dip them in the batter, just like this. It might be easier to get do it in like a bag, but you just want to coat your wedges, just like this. Like you seasoning some chicken or something, or some fish. And that's your coating. Y'all, when I tell y'all these potatoes is a game changer, they be so crispy and they have a coating. Y'all see how they look when we take them out the grease. Alright, so we got our grease over here getting hot. We can check our grease. And yeah, as y'all can see, they didn't sizzle or nothing. The grease is not ready. So we're going to let our grease continue to get hot. We're going to come back over here to the Phillies and we're going to start chopping this meat up, y'all. This meat is really thin, so it cooks really fast. This is all you want to do. Break it up. Just like that. Stab it up. Alright, so now I got it all broke up. We're going to go ahead and season it, y'all. 1 second, let me get a knife. So y'all, the thing to remember, if you use this kind of steak, these seasoning packs that it come with is really concentrated, y'all. I remember when I first bought this steak some years ago, I called myself like, oh yeah, I'm gonna season it up. I put these in it and I put like seasoning salt, a whole bunch of other stuff. Let me just say it was not needed. It was so salty, y'all. I messed up the whole dish because this is really salty. So just keep that in mind, y'all. This is salty. So I'm still gonna season the meat, but we're not gonna add no salt. So what I'm gonna add some garlic powder, a little garlic. And you can use as much or as little as you want because there's no salt. And then we're going to use some onion powder as well. And then I'm going to go down on some black pepper. And I think that's all I'm going to use for my seasonings today, y'all. Now keep in mind, you don't have to use no seasoning at all. You can just use the seasoning pack that it comes with. But y'all know me, I'm a gourmet chef. I got to add a little something. I got to add something to it now. Got to make it shell. I got to put my little touch on it. Alright, y'all, so we got our seasoning in there. We'll mix that up real good. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and add our onions and peppers to the pot. onions and peppers in there. We're gonna give it a nice stir. Mix that all in there. Smells good already, y'all. And then we're just gonna continue to let that cook, y'all. Now we're gonna check back on our grease over here. And it's still not ready. Let me turn it up. I'm gonna turn this up to a high so it can go on and get hot for us. All right, this is all we're doing, y'all. So we're gonna continue to brown our meat till it's nice and golden brown, like me. And then we'll be done with that. And then we're gonna fry our potatoes, y'all. And yeah, this is a quick, fast, simple recipe, y'all. The kids will love it, your husband will love it, roommates, whoever. They will love this. This is really good. This is close. This is really close to those steaks you get at the mall, you know, the Philly cheesesteaks at the mall. This is the closest you're gonna get. I ain't got time to be going to no butcher telling them to chop up no meat. I ain't got time to be looking at the meat department trying to find little slim, thin slices of meat. No, we're gonna go ahead and grab this meat. It's the work is already done. Quick, fast, easy. So yeah, we're gonna continue to let that cook. And yeah, once this grease get hot enough, y'all, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to make these wedges, okay? All right, y'all, I think our grease is hot. We're gonna go ahead and drop these wedges in there. Just like that. Y'all see that? See how it's coated? Oh, that seasoning from the fish fry. Boom, you just drop it in there, y'all. I'm telling y'all, these is a game changer. Make it for your family. They're gonna be like, Mama, how did you do this? And you don't want to overcrowd the pot, y'all. So we just gonna drop those in there. Let them cook, and then we got more. You just go back and you coat them as well, y'all. Real easy, real easy. If you don't want to do the fish fry technique, the fish fry, you don't have to. You just cut your wedges, season them up, and fry them. Regular French fries. But y'all know me, I gotta put a twist on just about everything. Yeah, this is all we're doing, y'all. So we got our potatoes over there cooking. We got our steak cooking. This will be done in no time. This is a quick meal, ladies. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is right here. This is a 30-minute meal right here, in and out of the kitchen, done. Kids sitting down eating, and you back doing you, chilling. So yeah, all our potatoes in now. Rinse my hands, y'all. Alright, then we're going to check back on this meat, y'all. Yep, you want to make sure all the pink is gone. Now, if you like a little pink, then, hey, cook to your discretion. You know, there's a lot of people that like raw steak. If you one of them people, hey, cook your steak to your discretion. Me, I like my food, as y'all know, well done. I'd rather it be burnt and dry than juicy and raw. Ugh, yuck. All right. So that's coming together beautifully. We're going to let this cook, y'all, for another 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure all our steak is done. Then I got a plate here, y'all, for my potatoes when I take my wedges out. Just want to give it a stir. Look at it, y'all. Look at them. Look at that coating on there. Y'all see that coating? Play with somebody else, man. Play with somebody else. Your potatoes ain't looking like this. Throw them in the trash. Just throw them in the trash. Just dump them. Start over. Alright, and those potatoes will be done in just a moment, y'all. Alright, y'all. So when we come back, y'all see that the meat will be done. We'll be ready to plate it. And we'll be going down with more potato wedges. Be right back. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm taking them out because they are done. They don't take long to cook. And look how beautiful they are. Look at these wedges, y'all. They are beautiful. I went over to somebody else for dinner and they were serving this. I ain't never leaving. I ain't never leaving, y'all. Alright, so got them wedges done. Gonna give our meat another stir real quick just to make sure everything is everything. Alright, then we're gonna go back down with some more wedges, y'all. We almost done. Drop some wedges in there just like that. Keep in mind, do not overcrowd the pot. I want them to cook evenly and fast. Put one more in there. There we go. Hands. Alright, y'all, this meat is just about done. Nice and juicy. It ain't all dry. Nobody want no dry Philly meat. Ugh. Look how juicy. Look at that. Philly meat within seconds. Y'all see that? You thought we was at a gourmet restaurant, don't you? No, we ain't in a gourmet restaurant. So yeah, this is all you want to do. And give them a little stir. They'll be done in just a moment. Alright, y'all, so this is how you do it. You see how I made the potato wedges? You see how I did the Philly meat? Next, you're going to see me brown the toast, brown the bread, and then we're going to go ahead and plate the Phillies, and we're going to see the beautiful creation we made, y'all. Stay tuned, okay? Alright, y'all, these wedges are done. Nice and crunchy. Y'all hear that? No, it's real crunchy. Alright, y'all. So as y'all see, I have a skillet here. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in here. Let that melt. And then we're going to go ahead and drop the rest of our wedges, and we'll be done with the wedges. Alright, done with that. Alright, y'all, so we got this in here. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grill our toast, y'all. We're going to grill. This is sourdough bread. Sourdough. It is so good with Phillies. So you just want to get you a skillet, get you some butter, and you just want to brown your bread. Just like that. Set it right down. Well, this is all you're doing. Get a little peek to see. Yeah, look at these wedges, y'all. They look delicious. These can be in a restaurant somewhere. Hear that crunch? Delicious. All right, y'all. Then we're going to flip it. We'll flip our bread. Just like that. Get it toasted on the other side. This is all we're doing, y'all. Yummy. In your tummy. This is what you want, y'all. This is what you want. This is what you want. The Philly meat is what you want. Watch. Watch when we plate this. This is definitely what you want. Alright, y'all. So when I come back, we're going to go ahead and plate the food, and we're going to give it a taste, and we'll take it from there. Stay tuned. We are all done. As you can see, we made Philly cheesesteaks on sourdough toast and potato wedges. Don't that look delicious? Do y'all see that cheese pool in there? Delicious. This is a 30-minute meal. Fast, easy recipes, y'all. This is what you want. This is what your family wants. This is what everybody wants. If you love Phillies, you would definitely love this recipe. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. It's been my pleasure. Again, it feels great to be back. Shout out to all my subscribers. I wanted to thank you all so much for watching today, and I will be back at y'all with another great video.